Sign in to your Office 365 account by opening a web browser and visiting office.com, or by going to the University Student Hub at salford.ac.uk/students and enter your university email address and password. For extra security, your Office 365 account uses a second form of authentication when you sign in. New users will need to set this up. You can choose to have push notifications after installing the Microsoft Authenticator app, or you can have text messages sent to your smartphone. If you need help with this, then visit the Digital IT website for videos to help you. Contact details will appear at the end of this video. Begin by clicking on the App Launcher in the top left of the screen. This gives you quick access to the Office 365 apps, plus a link to the Office 365 homepage. Your homepage will look something like this one, with the online apps such as Word, Excel, OneDrive, and so on. These online apps open in your browser, and they are streamlined versions of the applications, so they are great for creating new files and standard editing. You can click on the plus button to quickly get started on a new document or file. For example, a new Word document. And a new tab for Word is available within the browser. However, these online apps don't offer the full range of tools. For that, you need to install the full desktop version of Microsoft Office. From the Office homepage, you can install for free the full version of Microsoft Office. Just click on the Install Office button in the top right corner of the screen. Choose Office 365 Apps and then follow the on-screen instructions. You can install Microsoft Office on up to 5 devices, on Windows and Macs. Contact the Digital IT Service Desk for help with computing services or your IT accounts. Go to the Digital IT icon on the Student Hub. From there, you can access their service portal and its support resources 24/7. You can get help on setting up MFA and password reset, chat directly with the IT Service Desk team, or telephone them for any urgent issues on 0161 295 2444.